Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to add captions on CapCut PC. Firstly, you need to click Import then Media on the left panel. Hit the blue Import button and choose your video file. Hover over your video thumbnail and click the plus button to add it to the timeline. Now just click Text on the top menu. On the left side, choose Auto Captions. Pick your language, then click Generate. Now just use the top right panel to edit text, style, font, and timing. Then drag the captions on the timeline to adjust the duration and position. And finally, when you review your captions that they are synced with your video, you need to export your video. Click Export on the top right corner of the CapCut interface, then select your resolution, format, and codec. Then just click Export simply again to download. And you're done. Let me know if you need more help with CapCut. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.